Good morning, children. Yesterday we had started with the chapter Digestion and Absorption, in which we were discussing that digestive system consists of alimentary canal and the digestive glands. Alimentary canal we have started with mouth and then buccal cavity. In the buccal cavity there are present palate that forms the roof of the buccal cavity, tongue which is present at the base of the buccal or oral cavity, and the jaws or the teeth which are located on the jaws. Now we have discussed what is the different type of dentition, what are permanent teeth and milk teeth, what is dental formula, what is the number of teeth present in permanent set and the temporary set. Now today we will discuss the structure of tooth. A tooth consists of three regions: crown, neck and root. Crown is the portion which is exposed part of the teeth, the white portion of teeth which is visible, जो हमको बाहर से दिखता है, that is called crown. The portion of teeth which is embedded in gum, मसूड़ों में जो portion है दांत का, that soft fleshy skin, the portion of teeth surrounded by soft and fleshy skin, that is called neck. And that soft and fleshy skin which surrounds the teeth, that is called gingiva or gum. You must have heard of gingivitis. टूथपेस्ट की ऐड आती है कि इट हेल्प्स टू फाइट अस अगेंस्ट gingivitis. Gingivitis is bacterial infection in gums. So gums are called gingiva. And the portion of teeth embedded in the socket or inside the jaw bone, that portion is called root. Now we will see कितने कौन कौन से दांत की कितनी रूट्स होती हैं. Let us see. The incisors, the middle teeth, they have only one root. Canines, they also have one root. Premolars present in the upper jaw. Premolars present in the upper jaw, they have two roots. And the premolars present in the lower jaw, they have got only one root. Upper molars, molars present in the upper jaw, they have how many? Three root. And molars present in the lower jaw, they have got two roots. Now tooth is made up of, let us see, let us draw the diagram side by side. Tooth is made up of dentine. A tooth is made up of what? A dentine. Dentine, it encloses a cavity which is called pulp cavity. Dentine, it encloses a cavity called pulp cavity, and pulp cavity consists of pulp. तो टूथ इज मेड अप ऑफ व्हाट? डेंटाइन. डेंटाइन के अंदर क्या है? डेंटाइन एनक्लोजेज अ पल्प कैविटी. पल्प कैविटी इज मेड अप ऑफ, इट एनक्लोजेज पल्प. पल्प इज मेड अप ऑफ व्हाट? Soft connective tissue, and there is present a blood vessel in it, blood vessels in it, and the nerve endings, they are also present. We can show by different colors. There is present a nerve ending and there is present a blood vessel. There are present the blood vessels. Because of the nerve ending, we can feel the pain in the tooth. Now this pulp cavity, it is surrounded by a layer of cells. I am drawing the diagram so that you can also draw side by side. It becomes easier to draw a diagram, if we see someone how to draw it, the pulp cavity, it is surrounded by a layer of cells. pulp cavity के बाहर एक layer है cells की, we can see, and this layer of cells is called layer of odontoblast cells. I am labeling. This is called layer of odontoblast cells. Now this layer of odontoblast cells, it secretes dentine. ये जो बाहर वाली लेयर है, इसको डेंटाइन को कौन सिक्रीट कर रहे हैं? ये ओडोंटोब्लास्ट सेल्स. एंड देन द एक्सपोज्ड पार्ट, विच इज द क्राउन, एक्सपोज्ड पार्ट ऑफ टूथ, द आउटर मोस्ट पार्ट ऑफ टूथ, इट इज मेड अप ऑफ एनेमल. तो लेट अस कंप्लीट द डायग्राम. ये है हमारे पास एक्सपोज्ड पार्ट विच इज कॉल्ड क्राउन, which is made up of enamel. Then the portion of tooth inside the gums, this much portion is the neck, and this skin part, this is called gum, and this portion which is embedded in the socket, this much portion is called the root of the teeth. Now the dentine is fixed. The dentine is fixed in the jawbone with a cement-like substance, and that cement-like substance is called cementum, which is as hard as cement, and it helps in fixing the tooth or teeth in the jawbone. This layer is, I will call it as cementum. Let us see quickly. The tooth consists, there are three parts of a teeth. The exposed part called crown, the portion of teeth or tooth in the gums is called neck, and the portion of tooth in the roots in the socket of teeth is called root. Teeth is made up of what? Dentine. This portion is dentine, and dentine encloses a pulp cavity. Pulp cavity contains pulp. What is present inside pulp? Connective tissue, blood vessel, and the nerves. This is the blood vessel, and we have shown this is the nerve, and the pulp cavity is surrounded by a layer of cells called layer of odontoblast cells. These odontoblast cells, they secrete dentine, and the dentine is fixed in the jawbone by a substance, a chemical substance called cementum, which is as hard as cement. This is the structure of tooth. Pulp canal closes after the tooth is full grown. Therefore, teeth, they do not grow after some time. Now,